Oh, welcome back my DIY nomads. I hope all you guys are doing really well today. Really fast video for you guys today. I'll explain why. We are looking back into last summer when we did the big long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter high top. I'm really sorry that I never basically concluded that series. The reason being is that we had such a tight schedule that we were hoping to finish it and get some filming done of the van. How it timed out was that they only came to collect very near to just after when we finished, so we couldn't really do much filming. And so this video is going to be last few minutes doing like sort of fitting the underwater tank, but really just showing you a quick glimpse through the actual look through of the van. What I tried to organise just after that was, after the owner took it, that I would go up, film through, do a van tour, and then I'd add it to the end of this video. But with all the lockdown stuff, it's just becoming impossible and it's getting pushed back further and further. So I want to release this quick video, show you guys what it looked like in the end, and then I'm going to actually get up there when I can and do another full van tour, and then you guys can see it then. So let's get into this video, short and sweet. Let's crack on. So this is the inlet that's going to be the waste from the sink, and we're going to change that for this 32mm. Just a lot more flow and a lot nicer for draining the water out the sink. What I'm also going to add to this tank is an access hatch on the bottom here near the front, just so that any large food bits or anything like that can be cleaned out and washed out easily. Now in the mounting kit they gave us these brackets to hold the tank up in position. They're just literally raw steel, like there's no coating on them whatsoever, so I'm just going to spray these up, coat them, just give them a bit longer life. It's not necessary, but I just feel like, you know, when you're putting in this much time and effort into something, you might as well just put in the extra few minutes just to get these to last that bit longer. Right guys, I don't know how much of this I'm actually going to be able to show you because it is a tight under the van here. Excuse these are the bolts coming through for the chairs, the Isofix chairs. We're going to attach, oh my god, I'm so glad I got a wide angle lens. I'm going to attach the tank to these 2 points here. Well, there we go. As I said, a nice quick video. Looked really stunning, and the video does not do it justice, which is why I need to get up there and do another van tour. So I'll do that in the near future. I'd like to thank all you guys for watching. I'll catch you DIY nomads next time.